Hello everyone, welcome back to Insightedge Labs. As we have already started our new series to explore all previously asked questions from Power BI PL-300 certification exam. So after completion of this particular series, you will have that understanding about how they ask question in Power BI PL-300 certification exam, and you will have that confidence about how to solve those questions. Still you have any doubt, any question related to the PL-300 certification exam or related to the Power BI, you can drop your message in the comment section. So let's try to continue with our next question. To solve this particular question, they have given you the scenario. In the scenario, you have Power BI report that contains following table visuals. It uses red and green background color to represent sales status. So this is the table which is there in your report, and it uses red color and green color to display status of the sales. Requirement they have given: you need to make visual more accessible to user who have color vision deficiency or color blindness. So see here, as we have taken background color here based on the status of the sales, where the sales is less than 1 crore 80 lakh, then it has taken red color as a background, and whenever the sales is greater than 1 crore 80 lakh, then it has taken green color as a background color for the sales. It means that they have added this conditional formatting based on the sales. Now based on this particular scenario, they have asked you this particular question: what you should do to make it more visible or more accessible to the user who is having color blindness. So they have given you the options as well. First option they have given you, change font color to the white. Second option they have given you, that is nothing but change red color to the orange to make it more accessible. Third option they have given you, that is nothing but add icons for the sales status. And fourth option they have given you, add additional measures. So this is the scenario and question they have given you. To understand this question and scenario in better way, I will take you through the practical implementation of it. So this is the report which we have created as per the scenario. Here we have this table visual which we have to make it more accessible to the user who is having color vision deficiency or color blindness. To make it more accessible, they have suggested this option to us. We'll try it one by one. First option will try change font color to the white. So I will make a copy of original visual and I will change that font color to the white. I'll click on format your visual, click on values, and then I will change that format or font color to the white. Now here you can see we are able to see all sales value clearly, but we are not able to see product name. So again, after changing font color to the white, same issue is persist. So this option will not work. Now we'll try to check with the second option, that is nothing but change red color to the orange. Again, I will take a copy of original visual and now I will change that red color to the orange color, format your visual, then I will click on cell elements and here I will click on background color and I will click on effects and I will change this red color to the orange. I will click on OK. So see here, even after changing that red color to the orange color, still we are not able to see those value clearly. So now we'll try to see another option. So see here, fourth option they have given you, that is nothing but add additional measure to your visual. Even though if you have added any additional measure to your visual, it will not make us help to make it more accessible. So this option they have given you for confusion. So now we'll try to see this third option, that is nothing but add icons to your sales status. So to add icons to your sales status, I will make a copy of this original visual. And now instead of applying this conditional formatting on the basis of this background color, I will apply that conditional formatting on the basis of icon. To add conditional formatting on the basis of icon, I will click on this format your visual and then I will click on this cell element and I will turn off this condition, that is nothing but based on background color, and I will turn on it for the icons. And here I will give the conditions: whenever the sales is 0, that is nothing but number, and less than, let's say, 1 crore 80 lakh, which is number, I will take icon as a red icon. And whenever sales is greater than, where minimum value is 1 crore 80 lakh, which is again number, and let's say I will take maximum value as a 5 crore 80 lakh, which is again number, that time I will take icon as a green icon and I will remove this third rule and I will click on OK. Now see here, as we have added conditional formatting based on the icons, now here this visual is more accessible if the user is having color blindness. Here we are able to see all the sales value, all product value or product names. Along with that, here we are able to see this conditional formatting as well. So our correct answer will be option C, that is nothing but add icons for the sales status. I hope you understand this question and scenario very well. If you found this video helpful, then you can check out other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.